In this video, I'll be showing you how to create chapters in your YouTube video. And this is something like this. You look at the video now, you see that from here to here, you see that there is a break. These are chapters, and these chapters represent different topics that are taught in the video, so that it is like a book. Sometimes if you want to read a book, you may not be able to read everything at once. You just go to the table of content and select the particular topic that is most important to you. So that is exactly what is happening here. If you want to pick a particular topic, all you want to do is just double click on any of this. Okay, for example, you see this is a chapter on its own, and that chapter is around here. If I double click on this now, take me to that particular point. So I don't need to watch all the video. I only watch the one that is important to me. And if you create this in your video, it is going to help your channel. It is also going to help your video to rank higher. It will reach more people, because when people are searching for specific keyword on Google, Google will show them exact place where the chapter is. Google is going to recommend the exact point where that particular keyword is taught in the video. Okay, so it will help your video to rank higher. Let me show you how you can create your own. Now, this is my YouTube dashboard. This is my YouTube studio. So you are going to preview the video. You can even click on copy this link and paste in a new tab. You can paste it in a new tab. So you are viewing it like your subscribers or your viewers. What you do now is you are going to look for the transcript first. That the steps is you open the description of the video and go down to the last part of the video. You will see transcript. Click on show transcript, and the moment you click on that show, you see that it will start loading somewhere here. Let's wait for it to load finish. It will load the transcript with the timeline. Okay, now you can see it here. You can see the time. Let me scroll through. Look at it. The point where all these things are, each of them have time. It has the point where it is. So what you do now is you just try to copy everything. And to copy, when you highlight to certain distance here, you press Control. Let me click empty space first. You press Control and be going gradually like that. Just bring your cursor to the bottom like this until you get to the end. When you are sure that everything is highlighted like this, now you see where this one is. This shows that everything is highlighted. You are going to copy. You can copy like this. Let's copy this one first. Let's go to Claude.com. Okay, so you are going to type this prompt here and type create time stamp from this transcript. transcript. The first chapter should be 0.00. These words are together. Create a timestamp from this transcript. The first chapter should be 0.00 and launch it. When you launch it, it will tell you that okay, paste that transcript. Let's wait for it and hear what it will tell us. Say it looked like no transcript file is uploaded. Good. So we are going to paste that transcript here now. Now let's launch it. In a matter of seconds, it has created a timestamp for us. This is something that can take hours before you create it, but AI has helped us to create it in a matter of minutes. Okay, so you can click on this to copy it. Now you go to the description of that video. Okay, so I will click edit video. I will remove some of this description, some text, so that it can contain the timestamp, because this is much. Let's remove it to this point. Okay, now let's put it at the beginning so that our viewers can find it with ease. Let's type chapter, press enter on my keyboard. Now I'm going to paste that. See, these are the chapters automatically created for us by Claude AI. So now let's save this. If we view the video now, let's say I click on this, you can now see you can now see that chapters have been added. Look at it here. These chapters are clickable. Can you see? If I want to go to using create similar to add more pictures, okay, I can click on this, and so I will select it again, and you see that it took me direct to that particular topic. This will help your subscribers a lot, because they may not have the time to watch all the videos, and there is a specific information they are looking for, so they can select the information from here and watch that particular video only. It will also help the algorithm to rank your video higher. Okay, so I hope you have learned a lot from this video.